Today's lecture tool for basic electronics is op-amps part 12. Welcome to Classify community. So today we will deal with the topic comparator, which is the operational amplifier, one of the application. So from the word you can clearly understand that comparators does what. So let's begin with the topic. A comparator is a circuit that compares two input voltage. Whatever will be the two input voltage, it will compare and give us the respective output. So there are basically two cases in this. So one is which is the VI, which is at the inverting terminal, and one is the Vref, which is at the non-inverting terminal. So when VI is greater than Vref, then it is Vout is the negative saturation. And when Vref, that is the positive one, non-inverting terminal, is greater than Vi, that is the inverting terminal, then Vout is equal to the positive of the voltage saturation. Okay, now see, if we operate high gain op-amp in operational amplifier, in open loop or with positive feedback, then op-amp will operate in saturation. So basically it says that whenever the high gain of the op-amp is done in the open loop, we will get a saturation. Now let's say there are two types of a comparator, that is one inverting comparator. Here the inverting comparator means the input have been given to the inverting comparator, that is the negative one. Okay, now we can see that the non-inverting is denoted by V1, which is the voltage, and the which is grounded also, and the negative, which is V2, is the difference between these two voltages. We can denote Vd is equal to V1 minus V2 perfectly. That is the non-inverting and the inverting voltage, and Vd can be also referenced as Vref minus Vn. We know that Vref here is the V1 and Vin, as we are giving the terminal to the non-inverting one, so Vin will be the V2. So we will write the Vd, V1 minus V2 as Vd equal to Vref minus Vin. So basically we can denote it like this also. That is the between the Vref and the Vin. Now we will see the output waveform when it is in positive Vref and when it is in negative Vref of this comparator. So see, whenever the Vref is positive, that is when it is above the 0 volt, then we get the waveform in a different way. Now we will see it that when Vref is greater than Vin, we get it as a positive saturation. Okay, so when Vref is greater than 0 volt and when Vref is greater than Vin, we get the positive saturation, right? So here the graph at the above, we can see it is Vin less than Vref, which denotes the positive saturation, and which is the cycle. So in the positive cycle we will get above, that is the Vsat position, and when Vref is greater than Vin, and we will get the negative Vsat position when it is Vin greater than Vref. Okay, that is the below of the 0 volt terminal. Okay, so this is the positive Vref. Now we will see the negative Vref after this output waveform. So this is the input waveform when Vref is below the 0 voltage, right? So here it is the opposite of the positive Vref. It will start from the negative part, that is the negative cycle. So it will be when Vin is greater than Vref, and in the above it will be Vin is less than Vref. So in the positive how it will, we can see. Now we can denote the characteristic like here when Vref is positive, that the first part is the Vin is less than Vref, and Vin is greater than Vref is in the negative part. This is the ideal condition, but in the practical condition it is a little bit tilted. It can't be straight. Okay, so this is basically what is the practical condition, and this is why it is tilted in the practical condition, because it can't be straight. So this is the Vref when it is positive. Now we will see when Vref is equal to 0. Vref here is in the y-axis, the straight line is in the y-axis, and the plus V set is in the y-axis left side. You can see clearly. Okay, and then at the below it is the minus V set. Now we will see Vref is equal to negative, and here the thing is on the left side, so the positive V set with the minus negative V set. Now we will deal with the non-inverting comparator. Here we will give the input in the plus part, that is the non-inverting comparator. Similarly we can denote it here also. Vd is equal to V1 minus V2. Now Vd equal to Vin minus Vref also we can write. Why V1 is Vin? Because we are giving the terminal in the non-inverting part, so Vin is the V1 and V2 will be the Vref. Okay, so we can write this the difference like this also. Now we will see similarly the waveform when the Vref is the positive in this part. This will be just the opposite of the inverting one. Okay, now this will start from the negative part, that is from the V set part, and now it will be from the V set part and it will move up, which is the Vin greater than Vref, and it will continue. And when the Vref is less than the 0 voltage, then it will be just the opposite. In the inverting it will be like this, but in the non-inverting it is from the above, that is from the V set. So now we can show this like this also. When the Vref is positive, that in the inverting part, how it was like this, it was like this, from here, right? But in the non-inverting one, it is just the opposite. It will be from the Vin greater than Vref, which is the V set, and the Vin less than Vref, which is the minus V set. So basically comparator is in two types, that is inverting and non-inverting comparator. What does it do? It compares the two voltages of the input terminal. So basically it will come like this. Waveforms will be of this type, when it will be minus V set, when it is Vin less than Vref, and when it will be plus V set, it will be Vin greater than Vref. I hope all of you understood what it is. So these are the waveforms and the V set conditions, when it will be positive and when it will be negative. So from the input waveform to the output waveform, these are the two particular states of both. So I hope all of you understood what is comparator. So till then, be happy and have a... Now it's the code time. Confusion is good for the soul, and I hope all of you understood today's lecture, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.